Question number 51. The gas which can be compressed most easily among the following is. Just have a look on the given gases: carbon dioxide, N2, O2 and H2. If we talk about these gases, all the three, option 2, option 3 and option 4, these are the gases which are diatomic gases. While if we talk about CO2, this is a gas, that is carbon dioxide, a linear molecule in which a charge separation is there. And if I talk about a single bond, this bond is polar. Similarly, this bond is also polar. Due to the polarity of the bond, this becomes most compressible. And that's why this becomes our correct answer for this particular question. After this, question number 52. For the reaction PCl5 in the gaseous state is getting changed into PCl3 in the gaseous state and chlorine gas is formed, you need to find out delta H value. What's the relation between delta H and delta U? Delta H is equals to delta U plus delta NGRT. This is the expression. Now, in this case, we have to just find out delta Ng. What is that? We need to just find out the number of the gaseous moles of reactant in product. With the help of that, we can find out delta N value. In this case, 2 moles of the gaseous product are there. Further, if I talk about gaseous reactant, single mole is there. So what would be the value of this delta Ng? This becomes 2 minus 1, 1. So this delta H is equal to delta U plus RT. Where it is given? It's correctly given here in option 2. So this would be your final answer. Let's take next question. Question number 53. Spin only magnetic moment of this complex of platinum is. In this case, if we talk about this PTCl4, 2 negative. For this complex ion, the hybridization is DsP2. Hybridization. Now, in this case, all the electrons are paired in case of platinum. It means all the paired electron results in no unpaired electron. And if no unpaired electron is there, it means there is no spin only magnetic moment because it depends on the number of unpaired electron. And that's why we can easily choose the correct answer. That's option 3, which says that spin only magnetic moment for this complex is 0. Next question. Question number 54. Correct order of solubility of given compounds in water. Just have a look on the given compounds. Calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, barium sulfate and strontium sulfate. Just recall, these all are the sulfates of group 2 elements. Basically, alkaline earth metals. And if we talk about the order of solubility, that depends on hydration process. Smaller is the size of ion, more would be the hydration, more would be the solubility. So in this case, we have to just arrange these ions in the order of increasing ionic size. So the smallest sized ion among these is Mg2+. After that, magnesium, that there is calcium ion, then strontium ion, and then barium ion would be there. So this is actually the order of increasing ionic size. This one. And if size is increased, less would be the solvation, basically the hydration, and that results in less solubility. So what would be the correct order of the solubility of these sulfates of alkaline earth metal? Definitely in that case, MgSO4 is most soluble. After that, there should be the calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, then strontium sulfate would be there. And after that, there would be the turn for barium sulfate, least soluble one, where this order is given. This order is correctly given here in option 2. So just choose option 2 for this question as the correct answer. After that, question number 55. The correct decreasing order of covalent character of the given halides is. Just have a look on the given halides: lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and rubidium chloride. It means all these are basically the chlorides of alkali metals, and we can say chlorides of group 1 elements. Now, you should always remember that smaller is the size of cation, more would be its polarizing ability, and that results in more covalent character in the bond. So simply, if I talk about this lithium chloride, lithium ion is the smallest ion and it would have more polarizing power because this is the smallest sized cation, lithium ion, and that's why its halide has most or the maximum covalent character. So first lithium chloride who should be there. After this, there would be the turn for the sodium chloride because the size of sodium ion is slightly bigger than lithium ion and less than as compared to potassium ion or the rubidium ion. After that, there would be KCl, and then there would be rubidium chloride. So the order would be this. Where this order is given? This order is correctly given here in option 1. So if you choose this option, correct one, then definitely you'll score mark for this question.